Greetings, fellow word wizards. Welcome back to Smol Wolet, where we're about to take a wild ride into the cutting-edge realm of writing. Today we're diving headfirst into the unbelievable world of AI tools that are completely transforming the way we create literary masterpieces. So buckle up, because we're about to blast off into the future of writing. And here's the twist. Stay tuned for 3 AI writing dad jokes that will have you cackling uncontrollably. Yes, you heard it right. AI meets dad jokes. It's a match made in punny heaven. So if you're ready to witness the magic of AI transforming the writing game and fancy a good laugh along the way, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's embark on our journey. Get ready to bid farewell to pesky grammar mistakes and unlock your creativity with the power of AI. Tools like Grammarly, ProWritingAid, and ChatGPT are here to transform you into a grammar-savvy pro and generate captivating content on any topic. With just a click of a button, you'll have flawless writing. Now you can finally say goodbye, typos. Humans and AI, a match made in writing heaven. Together, we can achieve unparalleled efficiency. Real-life examples have shown us the remarkable content that emerges when humans and AI collaborate. But amidst all this futuristic technology, let's not forget the magic that lies within you, the power of your unique voice and perspective. Human creativity triumphs over automated processes, and we'll show you how. Let's also explore the limitations and challenges AI writers face in complex contexts. Can our AI companions handle the complexity of nuanced topics? Let's find out. Behold, we're introducing you to the dynamic duo that will revolutionize your writing game, Frase and Writesonic. Frase is the ultimate tool that unlocks the hidden potential within websites by generating informative articles at lightning speed. Say goodbye to time-consuming research. And then we have Writesonic, the creative powerhouse that saves you time while boosting your creativity. With Frase and Writesonic on your side, you'll be unstoppable. Now, put on your helmets, ladies and gentlemen, because we're about to embark on a mind-bending adventure. AI tools aid idea development through pattern recognition. They explore relationships, imagine alternative circumstances, and uncover novel findings. Prepare to witness remarkable discoveries and ingenious ideas that emerge from these unconventional connections. Get ready to stretch your imagination to its limits. Hold on to your pens, because we're about to revolutionize the way you edit your masterpieces. AI-powered editing is a game changer in terms of efficiency and quality improvement. Say goodbye to grammar and spelling errors, as these tools will detect and even suggest better word choices for you. With automated editing, you'll become a writing wizard, saving valuable time to invest in your creative process. The future is here, my fellow writers, and trust me, it's mind-boggling. AI's potential to generate scripts, essays, and content across industries is awe-inspiring. From advertisements to academia and law, AI is making a significant impact. We'll explore remarkable examples of AI-generated content in various sectors that will capture your imagination. Get ready to be amazed by the benefits brought about by integrating AI technology in these industries. The future of writing with AI knows no boundaries. In this writing revolution powered by AI tools, we've explored grammar, proofreading, content generation, collaboration with AI writers, popular AI writing platforms, utilizing AI to develop new ideas, and the limitless future of writing with AI. But remember, amidst all this technology, your unique voice and perspective are the true magic in your writing. Unleash your limitless creativity and join us on this exciting journey. And now, the moment we've all been patiently waiting for. It's time for some AI writing jokes in true dad joke style. Why did the AI writer go broke? It had too many syntax errors. Why did the AI writer attend therapy? It had a case of writer's block. How does an AI writer come up with new jokes? It performs a bite of humor analysis. Please hold your applause. Make sure to subscribe to the Smol Wolet YouTube channel for more captivating videos that will push your boundaries further. Tell us your favorite dad joke in the comments section. Let's have some fun exploring the possibilities and unleash our creative superpowers together. Don't miss out on the non-stop inspiration. dive into our previous videos and eagerly await upcoming daily ones. It's time to revolutionize your writing process with AI tools. Are you ready? Let's go.